The need for health care is growing, but the country is experiencing a shortage of registered nurses. Today, our Malia Van Ostrand talked to Parkview Health staff in Fort Wayne about what steps they're taking to address the national shortage.
Parkview Health of Northeast Indiana is working to end the nationwide nursing shortage by attracting, retaining, and most importantly, developing registered nurses. Programs that help with development are the Jumpstart, Simulation, and Residency programs.
We use that program to basically give everyone that orientation, and they get the chance to start as sort of a cohort, and they get feedback from our nursing educators that are part of that program. So as they move into their permanent practice role, that follows them.
Currently, Parkview Health has nearly 4,000 nurses, but that's not as many as they'd like to have.
But when you think of losing a third of nurses that you would hire, it's extremely expensive to continue to orient. And at the same time, we're losing nurses. And there are reasons why, because they simply are maybe not transitioned into practice correctly.
Parkview is looking at ways to bring in new nurses as the older ones start to phase out.
We're partnering with schools. We are looking at ways to recruit from outside of Northeast Indiana sometimes because there's only so many programs that we have.
Parkview's HR department has about 100 open positions for RNs.
The kind of individual that you're looking for is someone who is compassionate and someone who, at the heart of it, wants to serve others.
Jackway says not all nursing careers require work inside of a hospital, but within industries outside of healthcare.
We're not just bedside nurses. These are nurses that might be in our ambulatory environment, within our Parkview Physicians Group offices. These might be nurses that are within virtual health or some nurses within our technology area.
Parkview Health says that with the new expansions, they will continue to be proactive when it comes to recruiting.
The opportunity to provide compassionate care and to be there at those precious moments of birth and death only come to a few people.
In Fort Wayne, Malia Van Ostrand, Fox 55 News.